Technology is transforming the ski resort game, and in today's video, we will be shining a light on 25 powerful machines that keep the biggest and best ski resorts running smoothly. Get ready to hit the slopes like a pro. Subscribe now to stay updated on our latest videos. This is Mega Tech Piston Bully 800. The Piston Bully 800, a powerful machine for snow grooming, was built by Colossal. This machine is designed for extreme conditions and large-scale grooming. This machine delivers perfect results whether it's a heavy snow blast or a gentle grooming. Piston Bully 800 has the capacity to tackle even the toughest snow jobs. Its modernized, robust tech is the best tool for ski resorts. Piston Bully 800 is capable of handling anything from powder to ice, making sure skiers and snowboarders enjoy fantastic trails. Prinoth Everest. The Prinoth Everest is a snow grooming leader. It's a powerful machine with exceptional performance and reliability. This machine boasts strength and versatility for efficient performance even in tough tasks. It excels in various snow conditions, from carving through ice to smoothing out powder, and ski resorts rely on Prinoth Everest to create perfect slopes for skiers and snowboarders to enjoy an exceptional snow sport experience. Snowcat Prinoth T7. The Snowcat Prinoth T7, a strong and dependable machine, built and designed to deliver perfect results on large slopes. With the help of its advanced technology and robust design, it maintains large slopes with ease. This machine is perfect for the job, whether it's smoothing out powder or carving through ice. Its impressive strength and precision makes it a valuable asset for ski resorts. Piston Bully 104F. The Piston Bully 104F is the precise blend of power and precision. This compact snow groomer is designed to deliver spotless results on large slopes. Its compact size and agile design allow it to navigate challenging terrain effortlessly. Piston Bully 104F is the ultimate tool for excellent narrow trails and smaller areas. Prinoth BR 350. Prinoth BR 350 is a powerhouse of snow management, built to tackle tasks with ease. With its robust and advanced technology, the BR 350 has innovative features, including precise snow depth measurement and automatic snow density detection. In other words, you can enjoy perfectly groomed trails every time. It's capable of performing efficient and eco-friendly design, making it a turning point for ski resorts and snow parks. Tucker Snowcat 2000 Extra Light. Tucker Snowcat 2000 Extra Light is a versatile snow machine that's lightweight and set for actions. It's the supreme tool for handling steep mountains, rescuing in emergency situations, or patrolling snowy terrain. This machine is well-to-do and equal to the task. Its 4 articulating tracks provide ultimate traction and a gentle footprint on snow. With a range of special options available, the 2000 Extra Light is perfect for diverse over-snow vehicle applications. Its lightweight design and smooth turns make it a reliable partner in the snow. The Tucker Snowcat 2000 Extra Light is a unique machine which makes it reliable in snow. Colossal Piston Bully 300 Polar. Colossal Piston Bully 300 Polar is a snow groomer that's built to tame the toughest winter conditions. It has a unique power and reliability that distinguishes it from others and makes it the greatest partner for ski resorts and snow parks. The Piston Bully 300 Polar effortlessly grooves through ice and snow, creating perfect trails and slopes. The machine is perfect for extreme weather conditions because its robust design and advanced technology. Whether it's -40 degrees or a blizzard, this machine delivers. Trust the Piston Bully 300 Polar to keep your slopes in top shape, no matter what the winter throws at you. Prinoth Bison. The Prinoth Bison is a powerful snow groomer that creates perfect trails and parks for skiers and snowboarders to enjoy. With their advanced technology and strong engines, they can smooth out even the roughest snow and ice, making them ideal for building and maintaining winter sports facilities. In the case of building a snowboard paradise, the Prinoth Bison have the precision and strength to get the job done. This machine is a perfect tool for decision grooming and park building that's safe, fun, and perfect for making memories. Bombardier Plus MP. The Bombardier Plus MP is a snow grooming machine. This top-notch machine is a master of 2 trades, delivering accurate grooming and transportation capabilities. With its robust engine and precise control, be sure to handle any snow-related task with confidence. From silky smooth trails to heavy-duty hauling, the Plus MP is the greatest snow grooming companion. Piston Bully 400 Dual. The Piston Bully 400 Dual, a snow groomer that's got your back on steep slopes. The Piston Bully 400 dual tracks provide extra stability and grip, giving you the courage to tackle even the toughest terrain. With the help of its precision and enhanced performance, you can create perfect trails and slopes. The 400 Dual has got you covered whether or not you're a seasoned pro or even new to snow grooming. Enjoy a smooth ride and top-notch results with this reliable machine. Prinoth Trooper 2.0. Prinoth Trooper 2.0 is a top-notch all-terrain vehicle built for the purpose of tough snow conditions. This mighty vehicle is capable of handling even the most challenging terrain easily. Its powerful engine and advanced traction system can navigate through deep snow and ice with certainty. Whether you need to transport gear or personnel, the Trooper 2.0 is the perfect companion for your snow-covered experience. Colossal Piston Bully 600 Ltd. Introducing the Colossal Piston Bully 600 Ltd. This is a limited edition snow groomer that has the ability to take trail grooming to the next level. The 600 Ltd is built to impress with its sleek design and powerful performance. With the help of its enhanced features and advanced tech, this machine delivers grooming results that are considered optimal. With the help of this machine, you can enjoy precise control, increased efficiency, and exceptional snow quality. Tucker Snowcat 1600E. The Tucker Snowcat 1600E is a powerhouse for snow grooming and transportation. With the aid of this reliable machine, jobs are done efficiently. Its powerful engine and improved traction system are needed to groom trails or transport crew in gear. The 1600E delivers a perfect result. Its rugged design and easy handling make it a favorite among snow professionals. Prinoth Panther T14R. Prinoth Panther T14R, an effective crawler carrier that's got your back in snowy conditions. This potent machine is designed and built to move heavy loads without stress, thanks to its robust engine and advanced traction system. The T14R is up to the task whether or not you need to transport gear, supplies, or equipment. Its design and precise control make it a reliable choice for snow professionals. You can count on the Prinoth Panther T14R to get the job done in even the toughest winter conditions. Piston Bully 100 All Season. Meet the Piston Bully 100 All Season, a high-performance utility vehicle that's ready for action 365 days a year. When tackling snowy trails or dry terrain, this machine doesn't fail to deliver. Its powerful engine and advanced traction system ensure reliable performance in all conditions. With its comfortable cabin and easy handling, you can be sure of handling any task without effort. From snow grooming to landscaping, the Piston Bully 100 All Season remains the best all year round. Prinoth Husky Emotion. A revolutionary electric groomer that's changing the game in snow management is Prinoth Husky Emotion. This machine is eco-friendly, and it uses advanced battery technology to power its precise grooming capabilities, reducing your environmental impact. With reduced noise and emissions, the Husky Emotion is the perfect solution for sustainable snow grooming. You can enjoy an eco-friendly grooming experience that's gentle on the planet. Make the switch to electric and groom with a clear conscience. Colossal Piston Bully 400 Winch. One of the most rugged powerhouses for tackling steep and challenging slopes is Colossal Piston Bully 400 Winch. This versatile groomer is equipped with a heavy-duty winch, which gives you access to conquer even the toughest terrain with ease. With the aid of its advanced traction and precise control, you'll be able to confidently groom with safety. With the help of Piston Bully 400 Winch, you can confidently maintain ski resorts or snow-covered roads. Piston Bully 600 Select. The Piston Bully 600 Select. This is referred to as the creme de la creme of snow groomers. This top-tier machine boasts modernized features like precision, grooming technology, and intuitive controls. This makes it the ideal tool for skiers and snowboarders. Its powerful engine and robust design makes it possible to tackle even the most demanding grooming tasks easily. Prinoth Everest X. Prinoth Everest X, the perfect snow groomer for demanding terrain. This enhanced version of the Prinoth Everest delivers superior strength and performance to tackle even the toughest snow grooming tasks. With the aid of its engine and technology, you'll be able to conquer steep slopes and dense snow with ease. Be sure to experience the peak of performance with the Prinoth Everest X. Tucker Snowcat 1500 HD. Meet the Tucker Snowcat 1500 HD, the incredible conquering machine built to tackle the toughest snow conditions and largest areas, making quick work of even the most massive snowfalls. With its unstoppable tracks and magnificent engines, you'll be able to conquer the deepest drifts and widest expanses with ease. When the snow gets serious, the Tucker Snowcat 1500 HD gets to work and delivers efficient results. Prinoth P300. Introducing the Prinoth P300, the perfect balance of power and agility. This is a mid-sized groomer. It excels in maneuverability and grooming performance, making it a perfect choice for smaller snow-covered areas. Its compact design and nimble handling allows you to navigate tight spaces with ease, while its robust engine delivers top-notch grooming results. You can experience the ideal blend of size and capability with the Prinoth P300. Piston Bully 200. The Piston Bully 200 is a versatile snow groomer that's perfect for medium-sized ski resorts. It's dependable, potent, easy to use, and delivers top-notch results. With its superior engine and precision grooming technology, you'll be able to create spotless slopes and trails. The Piston Bully 200 is a valuable asset for snow professionals while maintaining existing terrain or expanding the resort. Prinoth Panther T6. The Prinoth Panther T6 is a compact crawler carrier that's created and designed to transport personnel and equipment easily. Its robust engine and impressive payload capacity make it perfect for remote or hard-to-reach areas. Its agile design and exceptional traction makes it easier to navigate challenging terrain with confidence. Caspar Piston Bully 400 Park. The Caspar Piston Bully 400 Park is a specialized snow groomer developed specifically for building and maintaining terrain parks. Its precise grooming technology and agile design makes it possible for you to create unique features and shapes with ease. If you're building jumps, rails, or other features, the Piston Bully 400 Park is the ideal tool for your terrain park needs. Prinoth Lightwolf 4.0. The Prinoth Lightwolf 4.0 is a cutting-edge snow groomer that's ready to work and sets new standards in grooming technology. Its unique advanced features and robust engine delivers impressive performance and precision. With its exceptional traction and snow management capabilities, you'll be able to oversee even the toughest snow conditions with ease. You can experience the future of snow grooming with the Prinoth Lightwolf 4.0. Let us know your thoughts on these machines. Leave a comment and subscribe for more content. We appreciate your feedback and would love to hear your opinions. Stay tuned for more videos.